Hello, welcome. Let's solve this question on GCSE Pearson Edexcel Level 1 and 2 question paper number 21. The function f and g are such that the f of x is 3x squared plus 1 for all x bigger than 0. And the g of x is also 4 divided by x squared for x being greater than 0. The first point of call is to work out the g of f of 1. Then the function age is also such that the age is equals to the inverse of f of g. So let's find what the function of age is. Beginning with this. So first thing first, what do? We have our a. We are looking for g of f of 1. Look at the statement here, f of x, have x in it. So we begin with the f of 1. So first, our f of 1 means that if I have the f of x equals to 3x squared plus 1, whenever I see x, I introduce 1. Meaning I'll be having 1 squared plus 1. Which I believe 1 squared will still be 1 times 3 will remain 3 plus 1 equals to 4. Meaning the first 2 points here, or the last 2 items you are seeing here, is going to be replaced by what? 4 attached to the g. That means the g of 4 will be the next thing to find. We find the first one, we substitute into the place of this. Then for that, we know our g of x is giving us 4 on x squared. Wherever I see x here is being replaced there. So now the 4 will take the place of x. So that implies that g of 4 equals to 4 divided by 4 squared. And don't forget 4 squared is what? 4 times 4, 16. 4 divided by 16, that will be 1 over 4. So we have 1 out of 4. So this value here, therefore, the g of f of 1 is going to be 1 out of 4. Just that. All right. Then for the second part, what are we looking for? We are looking for the g of f of g. Meaning I am having, let's just say, f of g of x. That's the meaning of that. So if I am taking all of this, is representing the x. You see, f comes, a bracket comes. So f comes, this is coming. So we introduce this function in place of x in the first function. What that means is that whenever I have the function, it is 3 into bracket x. And what is the x? The x is the g of x. And g of x is going to be 4 on x squared. So 4 on x squared squared because of this x here. Then we have plus 1. So the whole of this is what we are having as this. And with the look of things, that represents the first part. But we are looking for the f of g of x or prime, meaning we are looking for the inverse. So to find the inverse, we are going to let this be equals to y. Then if this is y, we solve and make y the subject after interchange their position with the x. So I'll be saying that let the f of g of x equals to y, meaning I'll be having y equals to 3 into bracket 4x squared all squared plus 1. So what do? We interchange their position, right? So if we interchange, it's going to mean that x will be equals to 3, 4 on y squared all squared plus 1. So now our attention is now how we can make y the subject. Is having a multiplier. So we first subtract 1 from both sides, and that gives us x minus 1 equals to 3 into bracket 4 on y square 1 minus 1 will cancel, so that is gone. So now we need to clear away the 3. Since it's multiplying, we divide by the 3. So this will become x minus 1 divided by 3 equals to 4 divided by y square all square. So in the case of this square is affecting the 4. The square is also affecting the y. So I can rewrite this as equals to 16 divided by y square times y square square, meaning y square all raised to the power 2. So these two powers will multiply to give you the power of 4. Right? So if that is out of the way, we are only trying to make y the subject. So I'll be having x minus 1, 16. So if you cross multiply, this will go here. So I'll be having y to the power 4 multiplying x minus 1 equals to 30 plus 18. That will be 48. So what is next? We need the y. So we divide by this coefficient, meaning y to the power 4 equals to 48 divided by x minus 1. So now we have our y isolated but still carrying a power. So the only way we can clear this power is finding the fourth root of both sides, meaning y will be equals to the fourth root of 48 divided by x minus what? 1. So therefore, the function h of x will be nothing but the fourth root of 48 divided by x minus 1. That gives us the function h as we are required to find. I guess the concept is clear? Good. Like, share, and comment. Bye-bye.